Hi, I'm Sam, and today we're going to be drawing wacky inflatable tube guys. The materials that you're going to need for this tutorial are a pen or a pencil to make the lines, and then some sort of thing to color it in. You can see that there are pens and colored pencils here. Also, if the video is going too fast, make sure to pause and give yourself time to draw. For step 1, you're going to draw one squiggly line and then try your best to copy it and then put that right next to it. For step 2, all you have to do is add 3 tiny lines in between the 2 big squiggly lines. For step 3, you're going to add its boxy little arms. All you have to do is just draw 2 little squares. In step 4, you draw the eyes, and that's just 2 big circles next to each other and 2 dots right in the middle. In step 5, we start to draw the mouth, so you just make 2 tiny little dashed lines right under the eyes. Now for step 6, we finish the mouth by drawing a sideways D shape that connects those 2 dashed lines. For step 7, make the box for your tube guy to sit in. Mine's sort of like a rounded rectangle. But have fun with yours. Step 8 is the final step. You have to color in your character. In the example, I used red and orange colored pencils, but feel free to use whatever you like. Thanks for watching and have fun drawing.